tayo sa acrobatic dance moves ng Velasco Brothers. Noong una natin silang napanood sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Pero alam niyo po bang bago pa natin na-discover ang kanilang galing, ay nakapag-perform na po sila sa iba't ibang bansa sa Asia at sa Middle East. At naimbitahan din para i-entertain ang royal family ng Thailand. Pero dahil po sa kanilang heritage of entertaining Filipinos, na sinimulan ng kanilang lolo noong pang 1920s, mahigit 10 ang daddy ko noon, ay pinili nilang bumalik ng Pilipinas at sumabak sa Pilipinas Got Talent. And because of their love for Filipinos, pinagbigyan tayo ng magkakapatid na ito para aliwin po ang kanilang mga kababayan. And to show you their world-class talents, please welcome the ultra-talented Velasco Brothers!
Welcome to the big show.
Fuchsia necktie. Parang mas komportable ka naglalakad sa kamay. Anyway, alam niyo po mga kapamilya, ito po paborito ko. Kilala po natin si Noy Volante sa iba't ibang alias. Guitar Master, the Prince of Acoustic Pop, and the King of Pop Acoustic. Pero lingid po sa kaalaman ng nakararamen, naku, may isa pa po siyang titulo na proud siyang matawag. At ito po ay, alam niyo, hindi, teacher. And just to show us his great ability as a performer at para ipakita sa atin kung ano ang kanyang tinuturo sa kanyang mga students, sasamahan po ako ngayon ng singer, songwriter, and teacher at aking kaibigan, Noy Volante. Noy, thank you. This is one of my favorite songs dedicated to you. Kinakanta ko to noon sa pasto, pero hindi ko pa alam itong kantang to noon. Someday, you're gonna realize one day, you'll see this through my eyes. But then, I won't even be there. I'll be happy somewhere. Even if I care, dedicated to you.
Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday, someone's gonna take your place. One day, I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you. Someday, someone's gonna take your place. One day, I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you. Someday, I know someone's gonna be there. The way I wanted you to need me.
Noy Volante, mga kapamilya. Thank you, Noy. See you soon. Thanks again. At dyan lamang po kayo dahil marami pang inspiring stories and performances ang magaganap sa amin pong pagbabalik ng